all happy people, hope you guys doing great. Okay, today I'm here to do spinach rice. Okay, it's very nice, it's very yummy. Gonna add some veggies as well, make it a bit healthy. And okay, hope you guys liked it. Thank you. Alright guys, I'm gonna saute some veggies first, carrots and potatoes. We're supposed to deep fry them, but I just want to make it a bit healthier. So what I'm doing is I'm just gonna saute carrots and potatoes. What I did is I sliced them into nice thin slices, like a potato crisp, and I'm just gonna saute them. Got some olive oil, and then I'm just in the process of sauteing the vegetables. You can also use some beans, but I just prefer potatoes and carrots. Just wait until they turn into nice golden brown, and then we're gonna keep it aside. Just toss and turn. The potatoes and the carrots are evenly browned. A bit of salt and pepper as per your taste. There you go, almost done. Just gonna take them out from the pan and keep it aside. And what we're gonna do is, once we start with the rice cooking and when the rice is almost done, we're gonna garnish these vegetables. I'm gonna use the same pan for the next procedure, which is spinach puree. There you go, chilies. Just saute them for a bit. Ginger garlic paste. Just give it a quick mix. Add a splash of olive oil. As you can see, I didn't add any oil after sauteing the vegetables, so I'm just adding a splash of olive oil so the chilies and the ginger garlic paste cooks thoroughly. I've got nice baby spinach. Straight into the pan. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cover it with the lid so the spinach gets steamed and cooked. There you go. Give it a quick mix. It's baby spinach. If you're using normal spinach, the cooking time would be a bit longer, but spinach isn't going to take much time, even it's a baby or the normal spinach. Just adding a bit of garam masala, turmeric, and some salt. Looks like it's done, so it's ready to make into a thick paste. Give it a few more minutes, cover it and cook it. There you go. It's nicely ready for the puree. That is the consistency we are looking for. Now we're gonna start with the rice. Splash of oil, some whole spices, add water. What I'm doing is I'm gonna use basmati rice. You can also use any rice. So as per the portion, the ratio of the water in the rice would be, for basmati is 1:1.5 cups. But if it is for the normal rice, it should be 1:2 cups. A pinch of salt, and then we're gonna add the rice. As I mentioned, I'm using basmati rice. Give it a quick mix. Medium flame, cover it and cook it for probably for 10 minutes. And then add the puree in. And give it a nice mix. Very healthy and very tasty. And simple and easy recipe, guys. The whole rice cooking process should be somewhere around 15 minutes. Just wait until you see there's no water in, and then you can start with the garnish. The sautéed vegetables, carrots and potatoes. Spread them on the top. Some brown onions or fried onions. That's it. And then some chopped parsley or coriander. So what we're gonna do is we need to get all the flavors in. So I'm gonna cover it with the silver foil, and on a very low heat we're gonna cook it for like a few minutes, 4 to 5 minutes, and that should be fine. There you go, guys. Nice and yummy spinach rice ready to serve. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, guys. Thank you very much.